Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable focus mode on iPhone, productivity setup step by step clearly. Unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Focus. Read the quick overview so you understand that focus filters notifications and calls. Tap Do Not Disturb to start with the simplest focus profile. Tap People under Allowed Notifications. Choose Allow Notifications from and select only your key contacts for urgent messages. Tap Calls from and set it to favorites or specific groups you trust. Go back and tap Apps under Allowed Notifications. Select Allow Notifications from and add only essential apps like Calendar and Reminders. Turn on time-sensitive notifications if you want critical alerts to still come through. Go back and tap Focus Status, then enable Share Focus Status if you want apps to show you are busy. Return to the main Do Not Disturb page and tap Home Screen. Enable Hide Notification Badges to reduce distraction while working. Turn on Custom Pages and select a minimal home screen page for productivity apps. Go back and tap Lock Screen. Enable Dim Lock Screen for a calmer look during focus mode. Turn on Show on Lock Screen if you still want allowed notifications visible. Now go back and tap Add Schedule or Automation. Choose time to activate focus automatically during your work hours. Set the start and end time, then choose the days you work. Tap Add to save your schedule. Optional, tap Location to trigger focus when you arrive at your office or study spot. Optional, tap App to trigger focus when you open a work app like Notion or Mail. Go back to the focus list and tap the plus icon to create a new focus. Select Work or create a custom focus name like Deep Work. Repeat the people and app steps to make this focus even stricter. Tap Focus Filters and add filters like hiding personal email accounts and mail if available. Open Control Center, long press Focus, and select your new focus to test it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.